Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Huron County, northwestern Crawford County, eastern Seneca County, and northwestern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bucyrus, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bucyrus, Willard, New Washington, Bloomville, Chatfield, Attica, Benton, Republic, and Osceola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, and Seneca.